Hi guys and welcome back on my YouTube channel. In this video I will unbox my new Apple Watch Ultra 3rd generation. So the box looks pretty much the same as the 1st generation and the 2nd generation. This time I decided to choose the black edition, so the box is black. It's made of some recycled materials. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Inside the box you can see an image of an ocean and some mountains, Apple Watch. I really like this unboxing experience, it feels very special. So you have a little book about Apple Watch Ultra, you have the case and the band. Let's have a look on this little book. You have a brief explanation of some main features of this Apple Watch Ultra 3. You have some technical specifications here, nothing very interesting, but it's really nice that they do included this paperwork. I like how it looks. You know, for someone who is unboxing the Apple Watch Ultra for the first time, it will definitely feel very nice. But the most interesting is of course the Apple Watch and the band. This time I decided to choose this titanium black band, and you know, it's a little bit more expensive, but it looks different, so why not? Let's start the unboxing by opening this new black titanium band. I'm really curious how it looks and how it feels on my wrist. The box is very lightweight. You have just a picture of this band, some images. Let's open it. So here you have the band itself. I was a little bit skeptical about this new style of band, but finally, when I look at it, it looks nice. I like it. It's something different. It's very lightweight. It weighs almost nothing. I'm just a little bit scared that the black Apple Watch will be scratched pretty easily, but we will see. Alright, now the most important moment. Let's unbox the Apple Watch Ultra 3. And you know guys, I'm a little bit frustrated because it's not a revolution, it's rather a evolution, because it looks exactly the same as the Apple Watch Ultra 1 and Apple Watch Ultra 2. They've just updated the screen. The screen is a little bit bigger, a little bit brighter, and basically that's it. So you have the standard charger, nothing special, designed by Apple in California, blah blah. You have the Apple Watch Ultra 3 in this black case. It's wrapped in this paper material. Let's remove it and see how it looks. Wow, I really like this black. It looks very special, it looks very unusual. You know, I've been always using the standard natural titanium Apple Watch Ultra for about 2 years now, and looking at the same Apple Watch but in black, it looks nice. I like it, it's cool, but I'm just a little bit scared because of scratches, but whatever, it looks nice. This black color is definitely the color of Batman. My first impressions about this Apple Watch Ultra 3rd generation are rather positive, but it's like a déjà vu. I've already seen it somewhere. I already have the same exact watch in natural titanium. So guys, if you already have the 1st or 2nd generation of Apple Watch Ultra 2, really don't waste your money and don't buy this Apple Watch Ultra 3, because it's exactly the same. It just has a slightly bigger display, and basically that's all. If you like this band, you can buy it from Apple separately and upgrade your Apple Watch Ultra 1 or 2. So, you know, it's pretty much the same watch, just in black and with a bigger screen. Guys, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe for my YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching. Peace.